Taking off.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
Ugh. Sheesh. That is nasty. Ugh.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Time remaining 2 minutes. Time remaining 1 minute. Seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No. Lost signal. Because safe was still working. That's why I don't use Spectrum. This is the very reason why I don't use Spectrum. Lemon, all these other planes, never any issues. As soon as I put Spectrum in my stuff, this shit happens. So screw that. This is why I use Lemon RX. For this very reason. For this reason. It's the last time I'll be using anything Spectrum. I don't care if they say AS3X is good, blah 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 blah. I set everything up right, nothing was wrong. This is what happens. Why? I had Spectrum in there. That's the only reason. See? It's connected. See? It's connected. Why did it lose bind? Everything's on. This is on. Oh, now it comes on. Yeah. See? Now it goes off again. See? Even with this, it doesn't matter. This is why I don't use. This is why I don't use Safe or anything Spectrum, because this crap happens. So yeah, from now on, Lemon RX. Everything, Lemon RX. See? Oh, there it is again. Now it's back. Yeah, screw this crap. This is why I don't use Spectrum, guys. Everybody says Spectrum's so great, Spectrum's so awesome. Nothing's wrong with my radio. My radio is fine. This is the problem.